It's Friday, and you know what that means. Let's do a little bit of sewing chat. I'm Mari with Mari Sews, and today is another Friday Sews, which is the brainchild of Jen over at Today in Jen's Sewing Room. And I get to tell you all about what I've been working on as well as some of the things that are coming up. So let's just jump right into it, you all. If you've been following me, then you know that I've been working on Project Dress a Girl, which has honestly been all-consuming. This has been the most exciting, rewarding, and busy time. So Project Dress a Girl is an initiative that I started back on September 1st, and let me tell you, the sewing community has been engaged, and we are making dresses for impoverished girls around the world. You all, I have exciting news. The goal was to make and donate 100 dresses, and we are currently standing at 103. We're doing so good. It is only September 17th. We still have 13 more days to go. You all, let's just knock that number out of the ballpark. Let's just knock it right out there. Let's just crush the number. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. With all of that being said, let me tell you all that this past Monday, I did a live with Tommy at Sirena Patterns, and I got to tell her audience all about Project Dress a Girl and how they can get involved. And let me tell you, Puerto Rico is fired up. They are ready. I've been getting so many questions. I mean, you all really have me working on my Spanish over here. If you're not familiar with Project Dress a Girl, there's a link in the description box that'll take you to the launch video that lays everything out for you. You can also follow and just check out all of the dresses that people are posting over on Instagram by just typing in hashtag Project Dress a Girl, or you can even do that here on YouTube, and it's gonna bring up a bunch of videos because you all, I mean, I'm not lying when I tell you that the sewing community has been engaged. And with Puerto Rico on board now, I'm excited to see what the next level is going to be for all of us. Puerto Rico, si estás viendo este video, enséñame amor dejándome un like. And really, that goes for anyone. If you've been having fun following along with Project Dress a Girl and just seeing all these different dresses, hit that like button and show me a little bit of love. Okay, so now it's time for me to bring it back in. Let's bring it in. A couple of weeks ago, when I went to Florida, one of my friends, Jen, actually gave me a book, and it's called The 100 Dresses. And you all, this dress has really just kind of been the perfect reminder of what it is that we are all trying to accomplish here. So this dress is about a poor girl who only has one dress. She only owns one dress to go to school, to live her life in. She's always clean, but you know, all of the other children have multiple dresses. Well, she begins to get picked on by other little children at school, and they start asking her, well, how many dresses do you own? And her answer would always be, I have 100 dresses. And they would all laugh, like, surely you don't have 100 dresses because we see you in this one dress, right? So every day they would pick on her and they would ask her these questions, and every day she would answer 100 dresses. Well, one day she's missing from school. She's just not present. And that goes on for a couple of days, and these little girls start wondering, well, where did she go? Well, their teacher received a package, and in this package were pictures, drawings of beautiful dresses that this little girl had made of her schoolmates actually wearing them. So as it turned out, this little girl did have 100 dresses. She had drawn 100 beautiful dresses and hung them in her closet. At this point, these girls kind of start to realize, oh, well, maybe we weren't treating her the kindest, you know? And then the teacher begins to read a note that the little girl's father wrote. And this note basically went on to say that they were leaving town and moving to a bigger city where they would be more fully accepted and not picked on for who they were. When I think about this story, I actually think about all of the little girls that we could possibly be helping. We could be showing them, yes, you deserve to be treated with dignity and respect. Here's a beautiful dress, you know, have a new dress. It may seem like something that's small, but to them, it may mean the world. And then when you add that to the fact that their families are being educated on the perils of human trafficking, I mean, this cause just really kind of goes the extra mile for me. And so this book that Jen gave me, I'm gonna forever treasure this book. It's the best reminder of what we are all doing today. So now let's talk about some of the fun stuff that's coming up, because we're not done here. Oh no, we are not done. So there are 2 more Zoom sew and chat sessions coming up. And I mean, they're free to participate. You just need to let me know if you want to participate. However, the one coming up this Sunday is actually closed. It's full. There is space still on September 26th. So that one is going to be from 5 to 7 p.m. Eastern time. If you're interested in joining that, shoot me an email to hello@matisews.com. And if there's still space available, I will gladly send you a link to join. Also, don't forget to post your pictures on Instagram using hashtag ProjectDressAGirl and tag me at Matisews for Curves, so that way I can keep track of the number of dresses that are coming in and then include your pictures in the final compilation video. Because you all, I have these visions of how amazing this compilation video is going to be, and you need to post your pictures so I can get them. Or email them to me if you're not on Instagram. Email me, hello@matisews.com. So you all know we're not done. I'm still sewing, Puerto Rico's sewing, and I personally know that a lot of you are still sewing. So make sure that you check out this video right over here, which is Crystal Sews and Stuff, because she's going to share with you the dresses that she's already made. And sincerely, you all, until next time, I really do hope that you find joy and have a wonderful day. I'll see you tomorrow.